Okay, so what I'm making here is ice hole covers. They're usually $6 to $7 a piece. And if you get a dozen tip ups out there, I really don't feel like spending 72 plus dollars on ice hole covers. So I'm making them. I got the idea of getting a 12 millimeter thick yoga mat, tracing a 10-inch dinner plate, and cutting them out of the yoga mat. $20 yoga mat. Got a dozen ice hole covers now. Don't need to spend the extra 50. Okay, so I traced all 12 of my ice hole covers out, found center, and now I'm gonna cut them out. It doesn't cut very easy, so make sure you have a very sharp scissors. All right, finished product.